A flight attendant shares how to spot hidden cameras in a hotel room using your phone. Is this something that concerns you, Will?
Definitely. Or B&Bs.
When you book in and then you're trying to relax, but you're also like...
I'm just like, there definitely is a camera in here. It's just aimed at my...
Right at your crotch.
Yeah. Blood hole or something.
Yeah, it is. You know it is.
It's like, hey...
That's right. I mean, they got what they're looking for. You understand?
Yeah, they got away with it. I would have no idea. I'll just be skeptical the whole time.
Well, anyway, I guess this is the thing that concerns people because this flight attendant goes on TikTok probably and says, here's how you make sure you're not being recorded. And you got to listen to me because I'm in hotel rooms all the time. I'm a flight attendant. If anybody would know, I would know. And so I am your hotel hacker.
Yeah, tip of the day.
I will show you my hacks. Now, the main hack in this video, first of all, I'm going to just go ahead and say I'm never doing this, whatever stuff she's doing.
Is it a lot of work?
Oh, God, I can't be by the time I hit the hotel, I'm like, go ahead, look at my butthole. Like, I don't.
They're going to get it for sure now.
Like, I don't. No, I mean, not today. I'm not giving permission, but I'm just saying, like, she, in her video, there's a video here somewhere. You got to scroll down. Her hacks is she gets into the room and she has to immediately go through this ordeal. She has 500,000 likes on this thing. Okay, here we go. We're going to check first. First, we got to check the mirror. And you can pause it here. Because this is apparently the key, is that somebody who's spying on you might just put a two-way mirror on there.
Okay.
With a camera behind it, I guess.
So the rule of thumb is you have to be able to touch your reflection. If there's like a gap, then no.
Did you read this?
I think I heard it from somewhere.
Yeah, you read this? Okay, so I guess that's the thing. Man, perverts are crazy. Like, perverts are replacing mirrors in hotel rooms. Then she's coming with the flashlight on every single sensor that's in there. The smoke detector, and then inspecting the TV, and then behind the curtains. And can you imagine? Like,
that's a lot of work.
Are you going to do any of this?
Maybe.
Which one would you do? You're going to do the mirror?
I'll do the mirror.
Okay.
I'll do the, I don't know, just checking like outlets.
I'm never going to do this. I'm just telling you right now. Unless it's exceedingly obvious, like a light, like I see a light shining at me, or I hear a two-way radio, and they're like, "Go ahead," and they're like, "Get comfortable."
Just like a zipper of pants.
They're like, "Get comfortable." Like, continue. I'm like, what the? I'm like, who's?
It's like, hey.
I'm like, hey, what? Hey, trying to. Other than that, no, I don't think I'm inspecting the whole deal.
Okay.
I don't know. Well, good for the
mirror thing. Yeah, you would do
that. No, I'm not.
You just have to touch it. Dude.
I'm not touching. I'm not going to remember. Will.
The moment you touch, it's just like pants on zip. That's all you hear.
I'm not touching. I'm just telling you right now. I'm not touching. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it, man.
Last one.